make this wall decor, I have taken 6 by 6 inches MDF board. First I am adding texture white as base color on it, or you can add gesso or acrylic white color paint for base color. In this way, I have applied base color. I have done double coating to remove brush strokes. Now it's time to do marking. I have done marking according to mirror size. What material you have and you're going to apply on your painting, accordingly you need to do marking. The main image of my painting I am going to draw with pencil first. This is a Madhubani wall decor. So in Madhubani we draw many patterns. So here in bird I am adding some patterns also. These are Madhubani patterns. Sketching part is complete. Now it's time to add colors. For coloring I am using Ohu acrylic paint markers. These acrylic paint markers are easy to use for beginners, and you can check there is no brush strokes when you use these acrylic paint markers. If you don't have this kind of marker, no worries, you can use normal acrylic paint and brushes. To color leaves, I am using 2 shades of green color. So here coloring part is complete. As I completed sketching part with pencil, so I can notice some blackness. So erase pencil mark first, then go to the next step. For next step, I am using micron pen to add detailing. some white color dots. You can do this step with the help of matchstick or dot mandala tools. Now we will add some more detailing here to make it more beautiful. Add some curve line patterns on white surface in this way. Now add color in this detailing. Here I am adding light blue color in a very first curve line. Only in very first curve line I am adding color. Curving part is complete. Now make it more attractive. I am adding some circular shape mirror here. I explained you in beginning, I have made this curve line according to my mirror size. So what size of mirror you are going to add in your painting, accordingly make these curve lines. And now it is complete. Finally lock it with varnish. Varnish will give it a glossy look and will protect it with dust and dirt. And in the last I have fixed a hook like this in it with the help of Fevikwik. And this is the final look of this painting. You can decorate your walls. And guys, don't forget to share your valuable feedback about this painting in comment box. If you like it little bit, hit the like button, press the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.